Okay, guys, here's a quick look under the hood of the system we use to process your leads. This is called the Launchpad. As you can see, there's a bunch of steps here that you first take when you get set up inside this system. And then you can see a result usually within the first 2 weeks. So that's what these steps are set up for. And then you have a dashboard which holds your key KPIs. You have conversations. You have calendars. Calendars allows you to book people in to times that you want to show them a demo or a sales call. You have contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, which holds your social planner and your social marketing accounts. You have automations, which holds your workflows. You won't need to see those, but in case we ever have to change those up, I can switch those up for you. This is your sites. They call them the funnel. You can have websites or funnel. I have no websites, but I have an actual funnel here. This is called my Google system for lawyers. This is the entry-level system I have. I'll give you a quick look at it. You can see how easy it is for me to change it up, make changes, tweak it as I go along. This is just starting for me right now. This also is me going into the system. It's not going to let me go back because it'll drop the recording for me. So I'm just going to have to show you this from here. This is my my landing page, which will funnel leads for me from Facebook lead generation form. They'll come here. They'll see this VSL, which is this actual video I'm showing right here, right now. And then I'm recording right here, right now. And then they'll see that. And then they'll scroll down. And once they're interested, they'll book in for a call. And then I'll try to get them in for the $97 or the $297. Right now we have a $497 special. So that's kind of what it looks like, what the system looks like. This is just a beginning video, like I say, and I have to do it quick. This is off the cuff with no rehearsal. So this is just the beginning, like I say, and then we'll, if you want to see it more, we can do that in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye.